Hello friends, today we will learn about how to apply material on any part or product you have made. Friends, many times you need to show your product to your customers, clients. So for better representation, you should have to apply materials or colors on your part or product. So in Catia, how can we do this? So I will tell you now. So friends, here in the bottom, if you see here, it is the toolbar which is called apply material. For better understanding of this icon, you can see here. So this icon is used for applying material on any parts. So double click it, and a window with different materials, like for construction, these are the different tiles, floors, concrete. There are different fabrics. You can enlarge the window, and here are the list of metals: aluminium, brass, bronze, and so on. So whatever material you want, you can apply on these parts. So here it is a water pump, and I want to apply different materials on different components. So suppose for this casing I am applying. So first what will we do? We will define in work object, and after that we will select any material which I want to apply on this casing. So I will just select, suppose I want to apply steel on it. So I will just select the steel and drag it to the that solid in the branch. So that material is applied. However, it is not visible here. So for visualization, you have to change the view mode from normal to the setting with materials. So you can see now. So here the steel has been applied and respective color has been applied on this. However, you can also apply paint on this. Suppose I am deleting this steel, and now I am applying, suppose I want to apply this borax red color. So now it looks very good for representation, and for other parts also we are using the same procedure. First define the solid in work object, and then select whatever color you want to apply in it. Suppose I am choosing bottle green color for it. So this way now it looks very better. And similarly apply some colors for this component also. So first we define in work object, and then suppose I want to give this color. And if you want to impose same color on this material also, so simply you can also copy it and define in work object this and just paste here. So the same color will be applied on this component also. I think one more component is left to applying color. So we will just select this also in the branch, and then define in work object, And suppose I want to apply a DS yellow color to this component, so simply select and drag it to this component in the branch. So now it's look very good. And friends, you can see if we use this image, suppose we take this snip of uh, this window, see how very nice it is looking. So this way you can apply materials and click its pictures for representation. So I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. Would request to subscribe my channel for supporting our channel. Thank you.